Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty on PC. First, let's get your system ready. You'll want to make sure your computer meets the game's minimum specifications, which usually include a modern processor, at least 8 GB of RAM, and a dedicated graphics card with at least 4 GB of RAM. Next, download the game client from a trusted source like Battle.net or Steam. Once installed, simply log in or create your account, and you're almost ready to jump into the action. Now that the game is installed, let's fine-tune your experience. Head into the settings menu to adjust your graphics. Aim for a balance between visual fidelity and a smooth frame rate, ideally 60 frames per second or higher. Next, personalize your controls. Experiment with different keybinds and mouse sensitivities to find what feels most comfortable and responsive for you. Don't forget to set up your audio for clear in-game communication and to hear crucial sound cues. Call of Duty offers a variety of exciting game modes. Start with popular multiplayer options like Team Deathmatch or Domination to get a feel for the fast-paced action. These modes are excellent for learning the maps and core gameplay mechanics. If you prefer a more relaxed start, try a private match against bots to practice your aim and movement. For a rich narrative, dive into the single-player campaign, which typically offers many hours of engaging story content. To truly excel, always pay attention to your minimap. It provides vital information about enemy locations and objectives. Effective communication with your teammates is also key, so use voice chat or the in-game ping system to coordinate. Many players find watching professional streamers or community-made guides incredibly helpful for learning advanced strategies and improving their aim. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep playing and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.